PERI 3D construction has been able to revolutionize the way construction works, switching from a traditional construction method into an automated method using 3D printers.
The construction industry has been reluctant to adopt any type of technology or automation. So by being the first to adopt automation into the industry, you can be ahead of the curve and you can be the first one to adopt new technology and adopt new processes.
I think one of the key advantages of using 3D construction is its durability during weathers such as storms or tornadoes, as these will be strong buildings that will be able to outlast.
One of the key advantages of 3D printing is the ability to reduce the number of trays in the job site. So instead of having 4, 5, 14 different crews coming to the job site at the same time, you can have 5 people that know 3 or 4 trades that can do the full home, all the way from the slab, all the way to the roof. And that's something that 3D printing can bring to the table.
Don't be afraid to ask, and don't be afraid to try this new technology. There's already a big support system so you can get going, and we will be with you guys on this road.
If you join it today, I think you're gonna have a better chance of being the leader in this industry, because you're gonna be the one setting all the benchmarks for it.